Tensions escalated at Howrah Bridge as water cannons were deployed to disperse protesters. Protesters who had gathered at Howrah Bridge were attempting to march towards the Chief Minister's State Secretariat, Nabanna. The authorities responded with water cannons to control the situation and prevent the protesters from advancing further. The protest, which was part of a larger demonstration, aimed to address various grievances and demands. The use of water cannons led to significant clashes and heightened the intensity of the standoff between the protesters and law enforcement. Highlight comes from the Parivartan Dahi Handi event held at the Worli Jamboree ground. This vibrant celebration featured a dramatic reenactment of the historic killing of Afzal Khan, a pivotal moment in Indian history. The performance focused on Shivaji Maharaj's bravery and the values of Hindutva, bringing history to life for attendees. The reenactment not only honored the valor of Shivaji Maharaj but also showcased the deep cultural and historical significance of his achievements. The event was a vivid reminder of the heroism and legacy of this iconic figure. Significant development today, a major section of the Ahmedabad-Rajkot highway has washed away, causing severe disruptions for motorists. The stretch of the highway between the Vankana border and Hirasar airport has been severely damaged, with the road completely washed out. This unexpected incident has led to major traffic disruptions and has left many drivers stranded. Authorities are working to assess the extent of the damage and to clear the affected area as quickly as possible. Motorists are advised to avoid the route and seek alternative roads to avoid delays. Bahraich has been gripped by terror as man-eating wolves have caused significant alarm. These wolves have reportedly killed more than 8 people, including several young children. The escalating attacks have left residents in fear. Local authorities and the Forest Department are on high alert, working tirelessly to capture these dangerous predators. The ongoing crisis has heightened security measures and drawn urgent attention to safeguard the community. A controversial building owned by senior Samajwadi Party leader Haji Raza has been demolished by municipal authorities. The structure, which was built on municipal land, has been at the center of a dispute since its construction. The demolition comes after it was revealed that the building was constructed in violation of approved blueprints and without proper authorization. The land on which the building was erected has been contentious, and the action taken today highlights the ongoing issues surrounding it. This development marks a significant moment in the dispute over land and property rights in the area. Congress leader Priyank Khadge has responded to the BJP and Mr. Leher Singh regarding the controversy over acquiring a CA site. Priyank Khadge has addressed the claims made by Mr. Leher Singh and the BJP, stating,
I would like to ask BJP and Mr. Leher Singh, what is wrong in procuring a CA site? Firstly, as Mr. Leher Singh claims, it is not an industrial plot that was allotted. It is not meant for industrial purposes. We had requested a CA site as per the norms for educational purposes, for developing skill development centers in the region.
Double Olympic medalist and renowned Indian shooter Manu Bhakar was honored with the inauguration of a new shooting range named in her honor. The range was officially opened by Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. This new facility is a tribute to Manu Bhakar's achievements and her remarkable journey in shooting. Union Minister Scindia praised Bhakar's success and emphasized that the range will inspire young athletes and further boost India's sporting capabilities. The opening of the shooting range marks a significant milestone for Indian sports and aims to foster new talent in the field.